नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू श्री ज्ञानसागर कोचिंग क्लासेस पिंपळगावपासून. आय एम कुशारी सर. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 मधील पुढील एक्झाम्पल्स बघणार आहोत. त्यातला पहिला म्हणजे आजचा पहिला क्वेश्चन म्हणजेच क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज triangle LMN is similar with triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Here is QR is given. You have to find out here. Now for this, solution is these two triangles are similar. Mean the triangle LMN is similar with triangle PQR. This is our given. Now second case is also 9 into area of triangle PQR is equals to 16 into area of triangle LMN. This is also given. Student, when we look here, this triangle LMN is the first and second one is the PQR. So I have taken the next ratio such way that this PQR transfers to this side, another side, and 16 to this first side. So I have to write here 9 upon 16 is equals to area of triangle LMN upon this area goes to denominator, mean that area of triangle PQR. Suppose that this is equation number first. Now student, these two triangles are similar. We know that the theorem of areas of similar triangle, the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So that by using this, I have to write here area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equals to their corresponding side square. But look at in your question, the sides is given is QR and MN. So I have to take the ratio MN and QR so that their corresponding side square means that MN square upon QR square. The reason is that by using theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now then we substitute the values here. Now this ratio is from equation number first is 9 upon 16 is equals to MN. We have to find here, so write here MN square, and the value of QR is given is 20 square. Now this is from equation first, and the value of QR is equals to how much? 20, or you have to write simply given. Now when we observe here, to this side also 9 and 16 is the square of one numbers 3 and 4, and this is MN square and this is also 20 square. So if you take this such way that 3 square upon 4 square is equals to MN square upon 20 square. Then we have to taking square root of both sides we get. Therefore when we have to find out its square root, then 3 upon 4 is equals to MN upon how much? 20. This is reason is that taking square root of both sides. Then by cross multiplication we get that 3 into 20 is equals to MN into 4. Then this 4 again goes to another side. We get that 3 into 20 upon 4 is equals to MN. Student, we can simplify by using this 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then 3 into 5 is equals to MN. Mean that 3 5s are 15 is equals to MN. Therefore MN is equals to 50. Write down the answer in full sentence. Therefore answer MN is equals to how much? 15. This is our question number 4. Can you understand this? Okay. The next question, question number 5. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding sides of the bigger triangle. Student, here is 225 area and this is 81. So that this is the bigger triangle and this is the smaller triangle. So we have to take here solution. Let the areas of similar triangle be A1 and A2 and their corresponding sides be S1 and S2 respectively. So that by using this given, therefore A1 is equals to 225 square centimeter. This is bigger triangle. The smaller triangle having area is A2 is equals to 81 square centimeter. Also, if a side of the smaller triangle is given, mean that S2 is given is 12 centimeter. And we have to find out corresponding sides of bigger triangle, mean that S1 is equals to question mark. Keep in your mind, A1 is the bigger triangle and A2 is the smaller triangle's area. Now student, areas of two similar triangles, mean that these two triangles are similar. So that the two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, by using this theorem of areas of similar triangle, A1 upon A2 is equals to corresponding side square, mean that S1 square upon S2 square. Therefore, we take its reason by using theorem of areas of triangle, areas of similar triangles. Okay, we substitute the values here. A1 is 225 upon this A2 is 81 is equals to S1 we have to find here and S2 is 12 square. This is given. Now I have to write the square of this one is mean that 225 upon 81 is equals to S1 square upon 140. Student, when we observe here, this is also square of one number, this is also square of one number, this is already S1 square and this is also square of one number. So, with taking square root of both sides, we get. Therefore, taking square root, we get this is the square of 15, this is the square of 9, this is square of S1 and this is the square of 12. Here I have to write here taking square root of both sides. Then by cross multiplication, means that 15 into 12 upon I have to take 9 as it is equals to S1. The next step I have to directly write here 12 goes to numerator. Then simplify it by using 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Means that here S1 becomes 5 4s are 20 is equals to S1. Means that S1 is equals to 20. Here is unit is square centimeter. So that the side of the bigger triangle S1 is 20 centimeter. So we write the answer in full sentence. So answer. The corresponding sides of bigger triangle mean that the length of corresponding sides of bigger This is our question number 5. Question number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Student, these are the equilateral triangles. If this ratio of the areas of these two triangles is 1:2 and one side is AB is 4, we have to find out its corresponding side DB. Now, in your solution, these two triangles are equilateral triangle. Here I have to write here triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. This is our given. All of you know that if this is equilateral triangles, then all angles of equilateral triangles are equal, having measure is 60 degrees. So I have to take here, therefore angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to angle D is equals to angle E is equals to angle F is equals to 60 degree, because angles of equilateral triangle. Angles of equilateral triangles. Now, therefore, in these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, I have to take here angle A is congruent with angle D. Take corresponding angle, and angle B is congruent with angle E. Okay, because each having measure is 60 degree. Each having measure is 60 degree. Now, therefore, these two triangles mean that ABC is similar with triangle DEF by using AA similarity test. Now, these two triangles are similar. Now, here is given here area of triangle ABC as to area of triangle DEF is equals to 1:2, and AB is equals to 4, which is in your given. From this I have to take one ratio, area of these two triangles ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to, this is 1/2. This is equation number first. Now when we observe here, these two triangles are similar. Then by using theorem of areas of similar triangle, we write here, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to the squares of their ratio of corresponding sides. Here we take AB, so AB and DE, so AB square upon DE square. Here the reason is by using theorem of areas of similar triangle. Okay, up to this we can understand that this ratio is given here 1/2 from equation number first. So 1/2 is equals to AB square upon DE square. This is from equation first. Again I have to substitute the value of AB, which is in given is 4. So that 1/2 is equals to the value of AB is 4 square upon how much? D. D square. Okay. Student, then also we can take in square root of both sides. So, when we take the square root of 1 is 1, this 2 is root 2 is equals to this square is 4 and this is D. Here I have write taking square root of both sides. Then by cross multiplication 1 into D is D is equals to 4 Means we write here the value of DE is equals to 4 root 2. This is our answer here. Can you understand this? Okay. Now student, our last question of the practice set 1.4. Question number 7. In this figure, segment PQ is parallel with segment DE. This area of triangle PQF is given 20 square unit. PF is given here 2 dp, means that twice into dp. Then find the area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activity. This is an activity based question. Can be asked in your examination for 3 marks. Now, in this solution, this area of triangle PQF is given 20 square unit. PF is twice into dp. Now, student, let us assume here dp is equals to x. This dp becomes x. If dp is x, then we substitute the values of dpx here. We get that pf is equals to 2x. So that df is equal to the total value of df is addition of these two, dp plus pf. Okay, so that dp plus in the first box is pf. Okay, dp is x here and pf is 2x. The addition becomes x plus 2x is equals to 3x. Now, in triangle F, look at this FDE and FPQ. Angle, first angle, look at in figure FDE, means that this angle is congruent with this angle is congruent with FPQ because these two segments is parallel and this is the corresponding angles of these two parallel lines by taking DF is the transversal. So that FDE is congruent with angle FPQ. This is corresponding angles. Now also for these two parallel lines, this is transversal, then we take these two angles are the corresponding angles. So here FED is congruent with corresponding angle is FQP. The reason is corresponding. If two angles are congruent, then these two triangles are similar by using AA similarity test. Then, student, all of you know that the theorem. If the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Here FDE, areas of FDE upon area of FPQ is equal to these boxes is given and 3x and twice x is also given. So that this corresponding side is FD or you have to take as DF also. Means that DF bracket square upon FPQ चा corresponding sides आपण घेऊया DF square झाला आणि याचा झाला FP means PF. Then we have to substitute their corresponding values. DF is 3x and PF is 2x. Square of it is 9x square and 4x square. This x square again get cancelled, mean that our ratio is 9 upon 4. Now this ratio is equals to 9 upon 4. At that time, if you take its cross multiplication, then this area of FDE is equals to this 9 upon 4 and this goes to a numerator. Then we substitute this area FPQ, which is in given FPQ. PQF and FPQ is same. This area is 20 square units. So we write here 20. Then simplify it. 4 into 5 becomes 20. And this 5 and 9 becomes 9 5 is 45. Where it is square unit. Now, then we have to find out here area of quadrilateral DPQE. DPQE means from this total triangle, we have to subtract this triangle, we get the area of this quadrilateral. So that area of quadrilateral DP FPQ. We substitute the values of FDE. Area of FDE is 45 minus area of this FPQ is given here. How much? 20. When we take its subtraction, then it becomes how much? 25. Answer is square. Okay. Now this is the fill in the blanks. So that I have taken the bracket for it. Means that the answer in full sentence is therefore area of quadrilateral DPQE is equals to 25 square meters. Okay, can you understand this practice set 1.4? This is our complete practice set 1.4 of the chapter number first, singularity.